As the saying goes, details define perfection. To manage with excellence, you must master the details. Today, we're visiting a company with over 30 years of experience, Meifeng Buckles. Let's hear from its founder, Mr. Yongguo Liu, about how he built the company into a model of excellence. Hello, Mr. Liu.
Hello, Xiaohe. Welcome. Let me show you around our factory.
Wonderful.
These are our products. We mainly use engineering plastics as our raw materials. What you see here is just a small part of our products. In total, we produce over 5,000 types of products that serve the luggage, backpack, and military bag industries by supplying their plastic accessories. This is our sales department. Here we handle both pre-sales and after-sales services. Our products are sold worldwide, and we maintain excellent relationships with leading global brands. This is our research and development department, where we handle everything from mold design and development to precision parts machining, providing one-stop mold solutions to meet all production needs. This is our production workshop, equipped with top-tier domestic injection molding machines. We can produce over 5 million units daily, supporting both high-volume production and rapid mold turnover. This is our quality control department. Every production step is strictly monitored and controlled. We're equipped with tensile strength testers, vibration testers, color migration testers, and color difference analyzers, ensuring every product meets customer standards. This is our inspection workshop, where we conduct 100% product screening to guarantee that every delivered item meets full qualification standards for our clients. This is our packaging area, where we implement traceable packaging systems to ensure complete product protection and prevent damage during shipping so customers receive exactly what they ordered. This is our warehouse, where we use a smart warehouse management system for precise inventory control and fast, accurate order fulfillment.
From Mr. Liu's perspective, Meifeng's growth and success wouldn't be possible without every client and the ongoing support of our partners. We look forward to welcoming more clients to cooperate with Meifeng Buckles in building a brighter and successful future together. For more information, you could contact us via email 888@2288-9999.com or WhatsApp 86158-807-76060.